Hello everyone, Indian Soul here, and if you are for the first time in my channel, it's the first video that you are watching, so please subscribe to my channel, and if you already subscribed, thank you very much, and keep sharing and watching my videos. So today I'm going to talk about how I keep my spice box in a manner so that I can cook Indian food within minutes. For my other vegan friends or other friends who are interested in Indian cooking, they are always interested in knowing that how can I make everything so fast. So here is the secret, and this is my spice box. You might be knowing some spices from that, but this is basically, you can say, it's my savory spice box. You can add some more spices in there, but basically in India you get such kind of spice box that has 7 different bowls, and this spice is called cumin. So there are 2 different kind of cumin that are available in markets. So this one is simple cumin, and then you get Shahzira, or the cumin of German, or the black cumin, which is a bit thinner and it has different kind of aroma. So please, when you make Indian food, use this one, not that one. And then I have chili. This is the very spicy chili from my region, and I won't touch my spoon with that, otherwise my baby can find out that I opened the chili box. This is coriander seed powder. So basically best way to make it is to use coriander seed and then grind it in mixer, and this makes everything so different. Like if you you might have noticed that when you cook onion, it smells very pungent, but if you add this powder at that stage, when it is a bit cooked, then the smell changes and it tastes really pleasant and aromatic, to me at least. Then this one is called lovage or carom seeds, or it is called ajwain in Hindi, and these are wonder seeds because it helps in digestion, and you don't usually put it in curries. You put it in breads. For example, if you want to make naan and you add some ajwain or carom seeds in naan dough, then it makes it much easier to digest. So you might have noticed that chickpeas and gram flour is a bit difficult to digest. So if you add some asafoetida and carom seeds to it, it will be more digestible. So then this one is called mustard seeds, and there are 2 different kind of mustard seeds, big one and a small one. This is the small one. You can use any of them. Both are taste almost the same, but there is another variety which is yellow, and maybe the skin is removed, that's why and that one looks yellow. So yellow one we use for making pickles. This black one is not used much in pickles. It is used in curries. This is Himalayan pink salt or Himalayan salt, and in Hindi it is called Kala Namak, and if you buy this one from Indian store, it is much cheaper, and if you buy it from any health store in the name of Himalayan pink salt, then you have to pay a lot of money for that. So please beware of this, and you can buy this from Indian stores. And this one, you all know that it is turmeric or curcuma, and this is what the characteristic yellow color gives to Indian food, and it is very healthy because it has antiseptic properties, and even some people, they wanted to patent turmeric. So you see how beneficial it is, and I studied it in my master thesis, and I extracted curcumin for that from that. And yeah, this is my spice box, and I hope if you make such kind of a spice box at your home, your cooking will also get very fast. Before I had 3 different spice box, but right now this is the one that I use the most, so I will talk about it later. Another important thing that I want to say is you should also add Asafoetida. So what I do is I don't put it open in the box because it loses its smell, so I just grind it a bit and then I put it in a small like jam or honey kind of bottle, a small one, and I use it during the baghar or saute, or when you add spices. So I explain this process to you. What you have to do is at the beginning of making any Indian curry, what you do is you heat some oil and then add some cumin and usually mustard seeds, and add some asafoetida and turmeric, and let it cook a bit. So it will crackle, the mustard and cumin will crackle, and you can add other things like onion and garlic and ginger. So but first step is this one. So whatever Indian you want to make, you should start making Indian food with this step only. So just heat some 2 tablespoons of oil, and then add some cumin seeds, add some mustard seeds, and let them crackle, and then add more spices and more stuff that you want to make your curry with. So in my channel there are more recipes, you can check them out, and I wish you all best of luck. And yes, if it is the first video that you are watching, please subscribe to my channel and keep coming back to my channel. And thank you very much for subscribing and watching this video till the end. I wish you all good luck. Bye bye.